Did you know that choosing the right car in 2025 could save you over $10,000 in repair costs? Most people think reliability just means fewer breakdowns, but that's only half the story. True reliability means fewer shop visits, cheaper maintenance, and thousands of dollars staying in your pocket over time. Here's the shocking part: some brands people trust blindly are quietly becoming money pits, while a handful of cars continue to run strong year after year. A truly dependable vehicle can easily save you $10,000 or more within 5 years. And that's not hype. That's real-world ownership data. That's why today we're counting down the top 7 cars built to last forever, ranked using Consumer Reports data, real-world longevity, and honest owner feedback. And trust me, the car that takes the #1 spot is not the one most people expect. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you might completely rethink your next car purchase. Let's kick things off with number 7 on our list of vehicles that refuse to quit. The Honda CR-V, the family SUV that just keeps going. When it comes to SUVs that won't let you down, the Honda CR-V has earned its reputation the hard way by surviving decades of daily driving, road trips, school runs, and harsh weather without breaking a sweat. It's roomy, fuel efficient, and above all, exceptionally durable. Whether you're commuting every day, hauling the family, or chasing adventure on the weekends, the CR-V consistently proves it's built for the long haul. Reaching 200,000 to 300,000 miles is common with proper maintenance, and countless owners report their CR-Vs still running strong after 20 years on the road. It's not flashy, it's not loud, but when it comes to lasting power, the Honda CR-V quietly does what many others can't. It survives. Honda's reputation for bulletproof engineering didn't happen by accident. It's the result of high-quality materials, smart engineering, and a simple, proven design philosophy. And that's exactly why the CR-V has become one of the longest-lasting SUVs in its class. For 2025, Honda keeps things smart with 2 solid engine choices: a 1.5-liter turbocharged gas engine and an ultra-efficient hybrid option. And here's the impressive part: both powertrains score highly for reliability, with real-world data showing very few major issues, even as mileage climbs into the hundreds of thousands. And don't just take our word for it. Consumer Reports awarded the 2025 Honda CR-V a reliability score of 77, placing it firmly among the most dependable SUVs on the road today. Owners also benefit from impressively low ownership costs, with many spending as little as $400 per year on maintenance. In a world where many modern SUVs prioritize flashy screens and gimmicks over long-term durability, the CR-V stays focused on what actually matters: reliability, efficiency, and practicality. That's exactly why so many families stick with it year after year. If you're searching for an SUV that can realistically last 15 to 20 years, the Honda CR-V remains one of the safest bets you can make. Hyundai Tucson, the ultimate comeback story. There was a time when Hyundai wasn't exactly known for reliability, but those days are long gone. Over the past decade, Hyundai has pulled off one of the most impressive turnarounds in automotive history. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson is living proof. This compact SUV isn't just stylish and fuel efficient, it's engineered to last. One major reason for its durability is Hyundai's focus on advanced reliability technology. The self-diagnosing engine system actively monitors performance and warns drivers about potential problems before they turn into expensive repairs. Add in a smart hybrid option and a rock-solid 2.5-liter naturally aspirated gas engine, and you get an SUV that balances efficiency with long-term durability. Hyundai didn't stop there. The Tucson undergoes extreme testing, from freezing winters to scorching desert heat, to ensure it holds up over time. The result? A Consumer Reports reliability score of 79 for 2025, making it one of the most dependable compact SUVs in its class. And owners back it up. Many report minimal maintenance, few unexpected repairs, and some have pushed their Tucsons well past 200,000 miles without major issues. Proof that Hyundai has officially joined the reliability elite. Lexus NX. Luxury that actually lasts. Luxury vehicles are known for comfort and performance, but long-term reliability, not so much. That's where the Lexus NX breaks the mold. Built on Toyota's legendary reliability, the NX delivers a premium driving experience without the constant fear of costly repairs. Lexus reinforces durability with rust-resistant electrical connections, a reinforced suspension, and smart self-diagnosing systems that catch issues early. The 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, producing 275 125 horsepower balances performance with long-term durability, something many luxury SUVs struggle to achieve. With routine maintenance, the NX is built to run hundreds of thousands of miles, unlike competitors that become financial nightmares as they age. Consumer Reports gave the 2025 Lexus NX a reliability score of 77, making it one of the most dependable luxury SUVs on the market today. While other luxury brands battle electronic failures and transmission problems, Lexus continues to master the formula of quality, durability, and low ownership stress. Subaru Forester, the rugged survivor. If you want an SUV that can handle just about anything, the Subaru Forester delivers. This compact SUV has earned a reputation for toughness, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. At the heart of its durability is Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which constantly distributes power to all four wheels. Unlike on-demand AWD systems, this setup reduces component stress and improves long-term reliability. Then there's Subaru's signature boxer engine. Its low center of gravity improves stability and reduces drivetrain strain, while its horizontal design minimizes vibration, meaning less wear over time. Many Forester owners report exceeding 200,000 miles with minimal repairs. With a Consumer Reports reliability score of 78, the Forester stands as one of the most dependable SUVs in its class, loved for both its rugged capability and long-term durability. Toyota Corolla, the million-mile legend. Few cars have earned legendary status like the Toyota Corolla. Since 1966, it's been one of the best-selling vehicles on Earth, and for one simple reason, it just doesn't die. With basic maintenance, Corollas regularly reach 300,000 miles or more. It's secret, simple, no-nonsense engineering. While many modern cars rely on complex electronics and turbocharged engines, the Corolla sticks to a naturally aspirated powertrain with fewer failure points. Strong steel construction, rust-resistant coatings, and a proven suspension design only add to its longevity, and the proof is real. A 1993 Corolla famously reached 1 million miles, equivalent to driving around the Earth 40 times. For 2025, Consumer Reports awarded the Corolla an impressive reliability score of 84, making it one of the most dependable compact cars available today, while also saving money at the fuel pump. Toyota Prius, the hybrid that refuses to quit. The Toyota Prius didn't just popularize hybrids, it proved they can last. Since 1997, Prius models have shown that hybrid technology can be just as reliable as traditional engines. Many owners report 200,000 to 300,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Toyota's continuous improvements in battery technology, moving from nickel metal hydride to longer-lasting lithium-ion batteries, mean the battery often lasts as long as the car itself. Regenerative braking reduces brake wear, while advanced cooling systems protect hybrid components over time. For 2025, the Prius earns a Consumer Reports reliability score of 76, keeping it at the top of the hybrid reliability rankings. Toyota RAV4, the undisputed king. When it comes to SUVs built to last forever, nothing tops the Toyota RAV4. For more than a decade, it has dominated reliability charts, and the 2025 model continues that reign. Its 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, paired with a proven automatic transmission, avoids the complexity and maintenance headaches of turbocharged setups. A timing chain, rust-resistant panels, and a reinforced chassis further boost longevity. Consumer Reports once again ranks the 2025 RAV4 among the most reliable SUVs available, and owners regularly report 300,000 to 400,000 miles with routine maintenance. That's the equivalent of driving around the Earth 16 times. In an era of overcomplicated vehicles, the RAV4 sticks to what works. Proven engineering, smart design, and reliability over gimmicks. Before buying your next car, remember, reliability isn't just about avoiding breakdowns, it's about saving money, reducing stress, and investing in years of worry-free driving.